Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2. I didn't really mean to make another one. I stated in the video at the end of the part 1, so if you didn't watch part 1, you're going to be a little bit lost, that the optimal runtime would be going down with this one and up with this one. Well, and then after I drew this, I thought you'd have to swap out every one of them. So if you watch the first one, if we would just start from the start, you don't have to get the calculator, and you've got these two that are going, one of them is going, so the laser is actually going to start right here with this arrow and go down and then come back to here at this arrow, but since the arrow's going up, and we're going to set our nudge factor back on that 1.13. You could actually double that, but I'm going to take both these lines and Control D and hit my twice. So now I've just duplicated over, and I don't have my green in here to, I'll have to change it to 50 to bring this back. And see, you can see I need some more lines, but that's not that big a deal because we'll just select, kind of hard to tell, select that one and that one, shift select, and then Control D to make a duplicate and move it over. Well, you really have to do it with a pick tool. Pick, hold down the shift, pick. I didn't hold down the shift. So now you got the two, Control D. Well, I had it set on 50. So I need that 1.13, and you could do 2.626. But then you could just, let me see if I got a duplicate already. I already do. So I'm gonna back up here a few steps and grab those and then Control D. So when I backed up, it went back to 50. I'm actually going to do 2.26. And then you're going to select this, shift select that. You've got to hit just the line. And see, and then we need an oddball one. So that's why you'd almost easier to go 1.13 and then take that last one, make a duplicate and put it there. So now if we take away these, we'll change it back to 50 and move this out of the way. So now if we take our shape tool, this one is going down, this one's going up, this one's going down. So what, if you can imagine an imaginary line, the laser is going to go make its pass, come back up, and so it only has to go this short distance. Instead of the other way, go down, come back up, go down, come back up. This way, it's only going to be, maybe on this whole sheet, maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds longer. I'm guessing, but if you had to do a lot of these, time is money and wear and tear on the machine. It's not having to move as far. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, but if you didn't watch part 1, you really need to watch it before this makes any sense whatsoever. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.